the building. Malinga, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine.
Sharp.
How has been your experience over here?
The experience is good.
Oh?
I've been watching the performances, top notch.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, man.
So, can you tell us a little bit about the songs that you so far brought out?
All I can say is my music is all about the people. I sing about what people go through every day. Sometimes I do sing about what I go through. Sometimes I just create scenarios in my head. So it's all about the people. I do it for the people. Yeah, man.
I've been seeing how confident you do your freestyles on TikTok.
Yeah,
so I also love that you should do
Hey.
a little something. Put together if you hear this.
Okay, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to freestyle about?
Anything. Okay, about today's event.
Okay, about today's event.
Uh,
All right. Tili golf club, show ya Gwamba. Tukufila sound yoko mamoda bwitsa, Gamba. Black shirt, black jeans, lamba.
Thank you so much
Simple
for
that,
your
yeah man.
time.
Yeah man, yeah, thank you.
Really appreciate. What should your fans expect from you?
On Monday, July 25, I'm dropping a new song.
Oh,
Check it out, it's called Pamalo.
oh, what's about that? What has inspired you to bring out that Pamala song?
Well, you need to listen to it first. Yeah, you need to listen to it first. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
So
so
check it out. July 25. July 25th, made on Monday. Pamalo. Bless.